we need to first understand what are the 3 stages of learning and excelling. Now, whenever we want to excel at something, the first thing that we want to do is build a strong foundation and learn concepts and learn the methods. And then learn the methods. Okay. Once we do this, the second thing that we need to do is we need to cement these methods so that these methods become second nature to you. After doing this, that's when we go into assessing our abilities. Okay. So these are the 3 main steps that you have to follow regardless of whichever skill you're building, whichever course you are doing. Okay. Now let's see, how do you do each one of these things? To build foundation, learn concepts and learn methods, you have to go through the course and you have to make sure that you go through all the concept files properly, you do all the application files properly, and you do all the practice files. Okay, so this is your e-GMAT course. Okay. To cement methods, that is point number 2, you have to utilize custom quizzes in Scholaranium. Okay. To assess your ability, the third stage, what you have to do is you have to either do ability quizzes in Scholaranium, or you take Sigma X mocks, or you take the official practice tests. Okay. So these are the 3 stages. Okay. So you first, let's reiterate them. You first learn the concepts, you then learn the concepts and the methods in the first stage, then you cement those methods, and then you assess your abilities. Okay.